Welcome to this introduction to Healerverse.io, the all-in-one platform created specifically for spiritual practitioners, healers, and conscious entrepreneurs. I'm Daniel Britz, Affiliate and Partnership Manager at Healerverse, and today I'm excited to show you how this revolutionary platform is transforming the way practitioners run their businesses. Imagine replacing 15 different subscriptions with one intuitive platform designed specifically for practitioners just like you. A platform that understands the unique needs of spiritual and holistic businesses while eliminating the tech overwhelm that takes you away from your true calling. If you are like most practitioners I work with, your digital business probably looks something like this. Multiple platforms, each with its own monthly subscription, login credentials, and learning curve. You might be juggling a website platform, an email marketing system, a course hosting service, appointment scheduling software, and payment processes, each one costing you monthly fees that add up quickly. Beyond the financial costs, there's an even greater expense, your time and energy. Every minute spent switching between platforms, troubleshooting technical issues, or trying to make these systems work together is time away from serving your clients and growing your practice. This tech fragmentation creates a disjointed experience, not just for you, but for your clients as well. Healerverse.io changes all of that by bringing everything you need into one cohesive, intuitive system. This isn't just another tech platform. It's a comprehensive business operating system specifically designed for practitioners with your unique needs and workflow in mind. As you can see from the single dashboard, you can manage your entire practice, creating beautiful websites and funnels, host and sell courses, handle email marketing, manage client appointments, process payments, and so much more. Everything is seamlessly integrated, meaning information flows naturally between different parts of the system, no more copy-pasting client data or manually connecting separate tools. What does this integration mean for you? Well, first, there's an obvious financial benefit. Most practitioners save between $200 and $500 monthly by consolidating their subscriptions into Healerverse.io. Even more valuable is the time you'll reclaim. Our users report saving between 5 and 10 hours every week that they previously spent managing technology. That's up to 40 hours monthly you can redirect to client work or self-care. Perhaps most importantly, Healerverse.io creates a more professional, seamless experience for your clients. From their first interaction with your brand through to booking, purchasing, and engaging with your content, they'll enjoy a consistent journey that reflects the quality of care you provide. In the detailed segments that follow this introduction, we'll take you deeper into specific aspects of Healerverse.io. You'll see how to create beautiful sales funnels with our technical expertise, build and launch transformative online courses, develop a professional website and blog, manage your community, and automate key aspects of your practice. Each segment is designed to be practical and actionable, showing you exactly how these features can transform your specific type of practice. As a Healerverse affiliate, you have the opportunity to share this transformative platform with your community while creating a new stream of passive income. When practitioners in your network are struggling with tech overwhelm or looking to streamline their operations, you can be the one to introduce them to solutions specifically designed for their needs. Your affiliate link is available in your dashboard, and we've created all the resources you need to share Healerverse.io effectively. Thanks for watching the introduction. Let's move forward to explore each aspect of Healerverse.io in more